Okay, let's talk about AI. So many of us are using it, but honestly, we're often just scratching the surface. It's kind of like using a supercomputer as a simple calculator when you could be conducting a full orchestra with it. Today, we're going to change that. We're moving beyond the basic questions to unlock what your AI can really do.
So let me ask you this, and be honest. Is your AI just a glorified chatbot? You upload a file, you ask a simple question, and you kind of just hope for the best? If that sounds familiar, you are missing out on a massive, massive opportunity.
You see, the average user treats AI like a basic chatbot. It's isolated, it gives pretty generic answers, and that's about it. But the pro approach? Well, that's about building an actual intelligence system, one that's connected, personalized to you, and doesn't just answer questions, it actively creates assets for you. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that leap. All right, let's start with level 1, becoming the instant creator. This is where we completely stop thinking about AI as just a text machine and start seeing it for what it is, a tool that can build real, tangible, functional things for you in seconds. This right here represents a huge leap. We're talking about going from a simple picture, just a single image, to a complex, fully functional asset. And believe me, this isn't science fiction. Tools like Claude can do this for you right now. And the process is, well, it's almost ridiculously simple. Let's say you see a spreadsheet you like online. Step 1, just take a screenshot. Step 2, upload it to Claude with a simple prompt like, make a spreadsheet just like this one, and make it fully functional. And step 3, you just download the complete file with all the formulas, all the charts already built in. It's seriously that easy. And it is not just spreadsheets, oh no. To really build out our creator toolkit, a tool like Google's Gemini can take things even further. You could type something like, plan a trip to Japan, and boom, it builds a custom little mini app for you. Or, get this, you can paste your website's HTML, or even just a screenshot of it, and ask it to redesign the whole thing. It'll generate a modern version with just a click. Insane. Okay, so that was level 1. Pretty cool, right? Now let's gear up for level 2, the Research Supermind. This is where we transform our AI from a simple doer into a thinking, analytical partner. And to do this, we need the right tool for the job. Meet Notebook LM. Now, the key thing to understand here is that this is not just another chatbot. It's a complete research intelligence system, and it's designed for deep, focused work on specific topics. So for the best results, you don't just create a notebook called General Notes. No. You create one for Q1 competitive analysis or AI alignment research. You get specific. It has this incredible feature called Deep Research. You just give it a topic and it launches an AI agent that goes out and autonomously finds, analyzes, and synthesizes over 50 sources. This whole process takes a few minutes, not hours. And you know what? It often finds killer sources you probably would have missed entirely. But as we all know, great research isn't just about finding sources. It's about validating them. So here's a real pro-level move. Ask Notebook LM to create a table just like this. It breaks down the publication date, the author, and the source type for everything it found. This way, you can instantly see if your data is old or biased before you build all your important work on top of it. So once your research base is solid, this is where the real magic begins. With just one click, you can tell Notebook LM, hey, turn all this research into a podcast. And it does. It generates a full audio overview, complete with 2 AI hosts discussing your sources. It's incredible. But maybe you're not a fan of audio. No problem at all. Just ask it to turn that exact same research into a professional-looking infographic, ready to drop into any presentation. Or hey, maybe you need a slide deck for that meeting tomorrow. Just ask. It'll pull out all the key points, design the slides, and build a presentation-ready deck automatically. Think about that. We've just gone from a single topic to multiple, high-quality assets in a matter of minutes. And that brings us to level 3, the final step, the personal intelligence. Now, this is the use case that almost no one is talking about yet, but trust me, it changes everything. So let me ask you a question. What if your AI had access to your memories, your conversations, your ideas, your entire thought process over the last few years? For those of us who have been using tools like ChatGPT and Claude for a while, we've actually created a massive dataset of our own thinking. We're talking potentially 3 years of conversations, ideas, and frameworks just sitting there completely unused. So here's the key. You can export your entire chat history from OpenAI and Claude, and then upload all of it into Notebook LM. And just like that, you've created a personalized knowledge base that is a true extension of your own mind. It can bring back forgotten ideas, and it can even help you analyze your own thought patterns. It's like having a conversation with your past self, spotting blind spots you never even knew you had.
Now, the practical application here is just so powerful. You could literally ask it, hey, go through my entire history and find the most successful content frameworks I've ever created. It'll find them for you. And then you can ask it to build new assets based on your own best work. Or imagine asking, what were the core principles behind my most successful project 2 years ago? And having it instantly outline them for a brand new project today. So when you connect these levels, the creator, the researcher, and your own personal intelligence, you're no longer just using AI. You're building a whole new kind of creative ecosystem around yourself. We've literally journeyed from a simple chatbot to a personal intelligence, and that completely changes the game. Let's just put it side by side. The old way, using 10 different isolated tools, it meant hours of manual research and, let's be honest, pretty generic outputs. The new way is a connected ecosystem where autonomous agents do the heavy lifting for you, all leading to a truly personalized intelligence that works for you. Now, you might be thinking, wow, this is a lot. It's overwhelming. So here's a simple rule to cut through all the noise. Master 2 or 3 tools deeply and just ignore everything else. Seriously, chasing every shiny new tool isn't learning. It's a distraction. Pick your research tool, your content tool, your automation tool, and just get really, really good at them. So I'll leave you with this thought. Your entire creative history, every single conversation, idea, and note is now a data set. It's all data. So the question is no longer if you can use it, but what will you build with it?